Casper's returns so far today are simply dreamy. Most of last year has been a nightmare for IPO investors, from Lyft and Uber to Pinterest and Smile Direct Club. They all pranced onto the market with high expectations, but their stocks have stumbled. WeWork famously failed to reach the starting line at all. The one exception, Peloton. Even after today's major fall, it's still up since its IPO. Casper has been lowering expectations for days. On Wednesday, it cut its initial offering price and its valuation in a dramatic fashion. Now the stock has jumped up so much, Julia Chatterley asked Casper CEO why he made the decision to cut.
Whenever you're raising capital, it's a moment in time around valuation. And so that's interesting, but it's really not what our focus is. We're focused on building a long-term business, building a brand that stands for the best night of sleep possible. And that continues to be what drives us every day.
How much was it to do with company sensitivity versus market conditions right now? Because we are coming off a period where we had the WeWork situation, a greater sensitivity perhaps to profitability.
You know, there is, what investors are thinking about today, but for us, again, this is just one moment in time, and it doesn't change what we're building with Casper. So we think we have the right plan, the right strategy. We're going to continue to be really focused and rigorous around executing that, and that's going to lead us to building the world's first sleep brand.
Is the market saturated? The number of times when I've looked at the speculation coming into this IPO and people have said, look, the market's saturated, the competition's fierce. Even if Casper has a great product, it only takes you so far. Your response?
Disagreed. I think people turn to the best when it comes to sleep. People know that getting a great night of sleep is really important for their overall wellness, and so they want the best. They're investing more and more dollars into sleep as part of their overall approach to the best wellness equation possible. And that's where Casper comes in. The reason we're the #1 rated mattress on Consumer Reports, the reason we're able to launch innovative products like our Glow Light, are because we really focus on elevating sleep quality with everything that we do, and that's something that we're maniacal about. And so we're going to continue to help the world sleep better through our innovative products. Very different than how the industry's operated.
You know, the last time we spoke, you were talking to me about the importance of the online presence of the bricks and mortar. The key with this, though, and it kind of circles back to the profitability point, is that it takes investment, and we can see that in the numbers. And again, part of the sensitivity was your losses in 2019 were a touch higher than 2018. Talk to me about managing the cost. Are you perhaps going to open less stores than you planned? What's the game plan here in the next 6 to 12 months?
So we think that our path to profitability is something that we're marching well towards in the near term. And part of that is that we continue to see real growth in our business.
This year?
Not commenting on specifics, but
Okay.
near-term path to profitability, and you're seeing that happen in the business. So we're seeing operating leverage throughout our P&L. We see a clear path to continue to drive growth and take real market share, and it's built on having a great brand and great products.
You've also talked about being a wellness company. It goes beyond the framing here of a mattress company. Talk to me about what that involves and looks like going forward.
So as obvious as this sounds, it's very different in how we approach building our business. We say, how do we help our customers sleep better? That's not how our competition thinks. And when we ask ourselves that, we're thinking holistically about sleep. So Casper has the end-to-end set of products that you need to get the best night of sleep possible. We're helping organize the sleep economy in a way that no other company is doing. And for us, that's really exciting. That's what consumers want. They know that they need to exercise, and they trust other brands around that. They know they need to eat well. Casper's being the brand that they trust for the best night of sleep possible, and we're helping them think about that holistically.